Jinan Tuhe Heavy Industry Machinery Company Limited is a professional supplier in China. It aims to be the leader lift manufacturer in China with the world-class standard. With years of developing and exploring experience, we independently developed 6 big series and 50 varieties, such as scissor lift series, aluminum alloy lift series, articulated boom lift series, cargo lift series, and home lift series. Products are widely used in construction sites, factories, warehouses, stations, hotels, airports, docks, stadiums, and other high-altitude equipment installation, maintenance, cleaning, and other scenarios. Our products had perfect supply chain system, technical support system, and after-sales service system, which can provide customers with free design, quick delivery, and complete technical service. Our goal of satisfying customers 100% has allowed us to grow from a product company into a progressive organization. We have got a reputation by selling our goods towards domestic market and overseas market, such as America, Canada, Australia, and German. We can custom build good safety and high-efficiency machines for you. We can also provide OEM services for you. One-day design solution, 7x24 online service, 7 days delivery, 1-year warranty. We try our best to save your time and provide you with one-stop service. With the advantageous products and the favorable prices, we are looking forward to establish a long-term cooperation with you.